So you made an offer on a home and it was accepted, and now a home inspection was performed. What's the next step? Examining the inspection report to determine if there are any discoveries the home inspector found and how to sort or organize them into a useful project for the buyer. Or perhaps to discuss them further with the seller or selling agent. Once you have read the inspection report, simply click on the Create Repair Request link and create your list fast and easy. You can show all the items or just the summary items to view, and one by one you can easily separate and organize items of concern. Simply accept as is or add to list. When you finish, click to create the list you made from the inspection report and save it to your computer or send it to anyone you desire, such as the seller or general contractor, for estimates. So call your friendly home inspector for your next home inspection and get an interactive web presentation with expanding pictures, video in the report, and a fast and easy way to create a project or repair list straight from the inspection.